This course is a study of the biblical foundations, historical development, and traditional beliefs and practices of Christianity, its impact on Western culture, and its impact on the lives of those who embrace it. Course content will focus on selected biblical events and themes, on a broad overview of church history, and on major Christian doctrine and practices. In this course, we will use two texts. The texts are Christianity, a biblical, historical, and theological guide for students, and the New Oxford Annotated Bible. I invite you to introduce yourself to the class via the discussion board. Please introduce yourself just as quickly as you can. Within the course on Blackboard, in the left-hand navigation is a tab entitled Orientation. I encourage you to view the orientation, acquaint yourself with the course, and to respond to me as requested therein. I look forward to engaging with you throughout this course via the discussion board. Discussion boards are an imperfect attempt to create small group and classroom discussion in the virtual environment. In this venue, we will have an opportunity to learn from each other. Please allow me to share my expectations with you in regard to the discussion board. Discussion board is not a blog where you just spout off random thoughts. It is an opportunity to reflect on the material and interact with it. Yes, you should share your opinion, but those opinions should be well informed and based on a good understanding of the material. Your primary response to the prompt should be a minimum of 200 to 250 words in length. Please read the entire prompt and try to respond to each part of it. Discussions require a follow-up post replying to a classmate's post. Choose one that you consider well done or thought-provoking, or maybe one with which you disagree, and respond to it. Follow-up posts should be at least 100 to 150 words in length. Do not just say, "I agree," or "nice job." Discuss and analyze what the other student has written. Does it make sense? Why or why not? Did he or she support his or her opinion? How? Why do you disagree, or why do you agree with something? Furthermore, within the discussion board you will find two forums. The first is labeled, "I have a question." If you have a question that is content related, you may post it to this forum. I monitor this forum regularly and will respond to your question. Further, I encourage all of you to regularly monitor this forum, and if you can answer your classmate's question, please do. There is also a second forum labeled Student Lounge. This is a forum for you to meet and engage one another on any topic or subject you choose. I do occasionally visit the Student Lounge and engage there as appropriate. Now, a word or two about weekly quizzes and specifically the essay portion. In weeks 1 through 7, there is a quiz due each week by Saturday night at 11:59. Each quiz contains 20 objective questions and 2 essay questions. The essay question should be completed in advance of opening the quiz, as once the quiz opens, the 20-minute timer starts. Within the 20 minutes, you will not have time to complete the objective questions and construct your essay. The essay should be prepared in advance, then copied and pasted into the quiz at the appropriate place. My expectation is for your essay to be fully developed. I do not consider a couple of sentences an essay. A rubric clearly outlining my expectation may be found within the navigation tab labeled course information in a folder entitled Quiz Essay Grading Rubric. Throughout this course, if you have need to speak with me, I invite you to contact me at robertsonj@campbell.edu. Please allow up to 24 hours for a reply. Further, I'm not always at or near a computer from which I may access the class.